کتێبێ بەدەستمەوەیە یەکێکە لە گرانبەهاترین کتێبەکانی پێشانگای کتێب بۆ ئەم ساڵ لەبەرەوەی بۆ خۆی هەشت بەرگە هەر بەرگێکی بای 350 دۆلارە بە هەر هەشت بەرگەکە دەبێت بە 2800 دۆلار. طبعا هەر یەکدانە بە تەنیا نافرۆشێت هەموو بەرگەکان بەیەکەوە دەفرۆشن. کتێبەکە باز زانستی پزیشکی دەکات. من بۆ وردەکاری زیاتر دەڕۆمە لای ئەو کەسێکە لە ناوەندەکەی ئەو کتێبەکە دەفرۆشێت. Can you please tell us about the book? Why is it so expensive?
This book is about medical imaging books. That means if you want to do any medical imaging, for example, X-rays, CT scan, and many other forms of medical imaging, you will need this type of books as a reference. These books are a bit more detailed compared to the other books, the specific small books. So each section, they have a section. Each section talks about certain part of body of the books. For example, the one in her hand was about brain, but you have about the heart and other ones. These books are important because multiple professors in that specific field, they are using these books and they already edited and managed and had all the details related to the image by itself. So we don't recommend it to students because they are still learning, but we recommend it to universities because every university who have a section of imaging or medical imaging, they need to have this book in hand to teach the students or the future doctors.
Can you tell me so far how many books have you sold from this book?
We have many universities who buy these books, and each university, for example, like we have an example is Zahra University, which they bought 4 sets of this book because in case someone take this book, so the other student cannot use it, so they need extra sets to buy it.
So normal people cannot buy it?
Normal people, unless like a high-end doctor or let's say hospitals, they will need reference, they will need in their libraries these type of books. So we don't recommend it to normal people because for normal people we have smaller books that have a bit small details. And you cannot rely on internet and YouTube or all of this for this information because anyone can edit it and do things. But for these books, no. Some certain doctors which already have to the highest levels of field, they will do this type of, they will already edit these books and give their information. And it's worldwide information that's standard already.
Is this the first year that you have this kind of book in your library?
No, this is the second year. And for this year we try to promote it to the universities so they can get the information out to the students.
Was the price the same last year also?
The price was the same, but the last year was different type book because now we have a newer edition. Now it's the 4th edition, so it's newer modern. So it's still the same but newer.